My people, how una dey? Today I bring una tori from Brooklyn for obodo oyinbo where our own popular singer Tiwa Savage, wey everybody know as Tiwa Savage, go perform. The singer use the opportunity take remember notorious Big wey don die many years ago. She open the show with the song Save My Life. She also sing one of notorious Big classic wey dem dey call Juicy. Nobody know say Afrobeat fit reach dat level wey come establish the link between hip-hop and Afrobeat around the world. As the show dey go, na so Tiwa dey gist with the audience, asking some of dem their name. Before the show end, Tiwa give her audience her most popular song, Somebody Son, wey she record with R&B superstar wey im name be Brandy. E don tey wey Tiwa Savage start her music career. Na backup singer she dey do for George Michael and Mary J. Blige when she move to London the time wey she dey small. After den, she start her own career as a musician. Once Upon a Time na the title of the first album wey she release. The album popular sotey dem nominate am for Album of the Year by Nigerian Entertainment Award in 2014. 5 years after, she put hand for paper come sign with Universal wey come make am show face for Lion King soundtrack wey popular American pop star Beyonce dey inside. In 2020, she release her own album wey she call Celia. Tiwa Savage and her manager Tunji Balogun, wey everybody know as T-Bills, go altar go sign I Do for 2013. The Gumbodi produce one pikin wey dem name Jamiu Balogun before devil come put sansan for dem garri wey come make the marriage scatter for 2018. Wetin come shele after den? Na few months ago one video break internet when one guy dey give Tiwa serious knacking. She later talk say she regret the action sake of say her pikin Jamiu go grow up come see the video for internet. As e be now, Tiwa talk say she need man. No be ordinary man o, but man wey fit match her energy. She say she get her own money and true true everybody know say na big girl, but she need person wey go add better thing to im life. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele.